welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my deck of Scarlet for you guys. I have to have this thing open. Okay. So, we have this thing. This is the Hollow Glam Kit. There's 3 things that come in this. So the first one is strobe dropping. I just put the dot there. That is what it looks like. It's like super wet and shiny. Let's like rub it in more. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like super duper shiny. It's a little bit crazy. Next is this Halo Lip Shine. Doesn't smell like much, which is good. I don't know if this is going to be super visible either. They all look really light, but like in person, well, this is like super pink, the lip gloss. This is like more purpley white, but you can't really see it that well. In my hand, I don't think. Maybe you can. There we go. That kind of shows them good. And then this is Liquid Glitter in Galactic. Holy crap. That one is insane. You can definitely see that one. Wow, that's amazing. So everything's like super shiny. So I was gonna cancel this month, and then I looked at what I was getting. I was like, who doesn't want to glow from outer space? So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this because why not? But we'll see if I continue with my subscription. I don't know yet, because I literally never post the ones when I get palettes. So this is the palette from July. I decided I'm going to show you guys this because I did film a video for it, but I ended up not getting it done in time. Then I just didn't. So I figured I will show you at least what it looks like. So that is the lip colors, which apparently don't want to show. But in this palette, this highlight is literally amazing. Like amazing. Can you see that? It's insanely pretty. Like, it is so bright and intense. I like am obsessed. So when I swatched this in the last video, I was like freaking out over this because it's just like so intense, which obviously right now I have to buy a bunch of really intense stuff, so it blends with it well. It's just like really pretty. And then the eyeshadow colors are also like super pretty. The really light one you can't really see on my skin because it's so light, but these are so pretty. So this is a super cute palette that I got. The lip colors, you got like a nice nude, and then you got like this crazy blue color. I think the blue is a little intense. Yeah. So that is what the blue is like. You could almost use that as an eyeshadow even. Like, sorry, this is like super not cute, but you could almost use that as an eyeshadow with how intense it is. And it like, it smooths out pretty nice. Like, it's really not like thick or super wet, so it almost dries. So you could probably use it as an eyeshadow as well. Oh, do you see that highlight? Oh, so amazing. I need to use it. But yeah, so that is my deck of Scarlet July and August colors, because I figure I might as well post one of the palettes, or you guys are gonna be like, this girl never gets palettes, she just gets everything else instead. When actually this is the reason I signed up for it, was the palettes. Not all this like random stuff. This one, yes, I was like super into this one. That is everything I got for this month's deck of Scarlet, and I showed you guys last month, so you can finally see one of the palettes instead of just being like, there's no palettes. But yeah, they're really cute, they're fun. I don't know if I'm going to keep it just because I haven't used like any of it yet. And I've gotten, I think 4 or 5 months. I've gotten 5 months worth of stuff. And I seriously have not used any of it except, I think I've tried the lip glosses just to see if I liked them on my lips. And they're just clear, so whatever. But yeah, anyways, way off topic. That is everything I got for July and August deck of Scarlet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and enjoy the rest of your night.